Okay, we have a lot of vocabulary today. So I would suggest you just get your book out and write these down. If you don't have a book, borrow a book. Ask me for a book. Okay? I'm going to go through all of them, but it would probably faster just to get a book or look them up on mathisfun.com because math is fun. Face is a flat surface of a three-dimensional figure. An edge is the line segment along which two faces of a three-dimensional figure intersect. Polyhedron is a three-dimensional figure whose faces are all polygons. A vertex is on a polyhedron the intersection of three or more edges. On a cone or pyramid, the top point. The base is a face of a polyhedron used to name it. A prism is a polyhedron that has two parallel congruent polygon-shaped bases and other faces that are all parallelograms. A pyramid is a polyhedron with one polygon base and triangle faces that all meet at a common vertex. A cylinder is a three-dimensional figure that has two parallel congruent circular bases connected by a curved lateral surface. A cone is a three-dimensional figure with one vertex and one circular base. And a sphere, I like that word, sphere, is a three-dimensional figure made up of all the points that are on the same distance from a given point. So, I just said all of those in a minute and a half. I probably talked extremely fast, so please look those up. Okay, so it says to identify the bases and faces of each figure and then name the figure. Now the bases are the top and the bottom of the figure, okay? And this figure has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 sides. So the two bases are both octagons. Oh, I need my little pen. I think I would learn. Okay, because the shape on top and the bottom is an octagon because it's an 8-sided figure. The other faces are rectangles because the faces connecting the bases are right here, correct? And that is a rectangle. Actually, to be more specific, we should put parallelogram because that was in the definition. A parallelogram and a rectangle are, same thing. Parallelogram. So I'll be, correct in my talking to not lead you astray. So we're going to name the figure based on the base shape. And because the base is an octagon, it is an octagonal prism. Okay? Classify each figure as a polyhedron or not a polyhedron, then name the figure. This figure is a polyhedron because if we go back to our definitions, a polyhedron is a three-dimensional figure whose faces are all polygons. And all of those are polygons because it's made up of squares and triangles. It's made up of rectangular, pyramid, and a rectangular prism. Okay? And you know that because the faces of the rectangular prism are rectangles, and that is the base of where all the triangles come up and meet in one point, so that's a pyramid. Alright, identify the bases and faces of the figure, then name the figure. Now, it says bases, right? We're going to do this one because there's very few examples. Bases and faces. So the bases are the top and the bottom, okay? The bases are the same shape. And if you look at that, you might not realize it, but if that was sitting on the floor exactly as it is, the base is a triangle because it's down here. This part is sitting on the floor. So the bases are triangles. Okay. And the other faces are rectangles. So because the bases are triangles and we name our prisms or our figures or our cylinders based on the shape of the base, we have a triangular prism.